Most people clean their leather furniture wrong, and it's cracking before it's time. Here's how to restore it and keep it supple for years. Step 1. Start with a vacuum. Use the upholstery attachment to remove dust, crumbs, and debris from crevices. Get into seams and under cushions where dirt hides. Step 2. Mix warm water with a leather-specific cleaner. Never use soap. Apply with a soft microfiber cloth using gentle circular motions. Wring out excess water. Leather hates soaking. Step 3. Wipe away residue with a clean, dry cloth. Work section by section. Don't skip this. Leftover cleaner leaves a sticky film that attracts dirt. Step 4. Apply leather conditioner with a fresh cloth in thin, even layers. Work it in using small circles. Let it absorb for 15 minutes, then buff away excess with a clean cloth. Pro tip: condition every 6 to 12 months depending on use. This prevents cracking better than any repair. How often do you condition your leather? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.